நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
We have to be one and all and one together. Only then we can fight with the illness and bring out wellness to every member, not only of our own country.
Don't try to reform everyone around us. Let us try to change ourselves. We have complete power over ourselves, our thoughts, the words we speak, and the actions. So don't try to say that I'm going to change. They will change by themselves.
Be free from fear. Be free from egoism. Be free from jealousy.
So Avai said, "Aridu ketkin nadiyadu velu aridu maanilarai pirattal aridu." If you ask me what is the rarest of the rarest of the rarest is being born as a human being.
You are not a bony animal, you are a brainy. And we talk so much about our brain power. Fruits are the only one which will give you the brain power because it is not taking the other energy for digestion. जीवन में फल पाने के लिए फल प्रयोग करो.
The mind is so powerful, so vast. If we think that heavens and the earth is big, the mind can conquer the heaven and go much beyond and see what is beyond that. That is the power your mind has.
That our forefathers, when they were working in the field, they were more healthier. They never had any diabetes problem. They never had any indigestion problem. They never had any joint pains problem. The reason is when they were walking bare feet and working in the field, the pressure points were already being done. While walking bare feet, they used to get the pressure points activated.
Wellness is basically a preventive aspect. It is not something when we get disease, we think of wellness.
Wow, 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 wow. I love my world of wellness. I create my world of wellness. I celebrate my world of wellness. Wow, 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 wow.
Then what? Why are we doing all? That's because we want wellness, we address illness. Yes or no? So, and we have introduced so many concepts. We have introduced so many words. We have introduced so many isms. And what the living today is confusion. And what we are desiring, where we are really unconsciously moving, is to see the perfection in life. We desire it, and I'm saying we desire it and we deserve it. You look around nature. Is the nature living? How much ever you will say, there is global warming, ozone layer, so many things. But what I see, because I really feel I am living a life, so I can see it so clearly. And I am living a life of wellness. I can see it so clearly. Summer is going to come. You will see the green vanishing. And suddenly, there is a dip in the air. There is a nip. Dip in the temperature, nip in the air, and you see tip of grass. Are you consciously growing grass? Are you? You don't do it, but it happens. Every summer, now it's going to be spring, all leaves will fall, and then you will see the most judicious way that the nature is working with us. You will see wonderful fruits, wonderful colors. Holy season, by the way, happy Holi. We color outside using artificial colors. Wellness living wellness means you color yourself with the colorful nature of nature. Got it? Can we color inside? Can we? Can we color? We holy season, we spread color out. That is the reflection of nature. So we have mastered so many things that we are putting it out. Can we color our mind with the same beauty? What is that beauty? Life is long and beautiful. Life is wonderful. And life goes on. We are all living. And we want to live better. We wanted to have the fulfillment. And we are searching for it. Wellness living is. There is no search. We talked about role. We have a role, we have a purpose, and we have been working very diligently to fulfill the role. The time has come. Each one of us have to be individually honest and examine which direction we are going and who is giving that direction. Can there be an authority to say and measure and say your health is bad because your sugar is high, your pressure is high, and you are not drinking enough water, and fruits are bad, grains are necessary? I can only stand here and share with you the responsibilities I took. And today I know the responsibility has become not an asset to you, because all the time we individually or in group or officially as institution pronounce that you are here to take responsibility for others. You are here to take responsibility to distribute equal wealth. You are here to take the responsibility to teach about